So hello traders, quite a pain and torture this morning. This is Thursday, October 27th. This is S&P. S&P been in this excruciating pain, torture at reversal zone for over an hour. It will be hour and a half. It actually will be 2 hours, 3 minutes from now. As I've been warning you, shorts are not an option. You know the rules, you monitor for long. This is a trade that's been struggling immensely to break through the end of the minor trend, but please pay attention where stop is placed. No random stop, no fixed stop will ever work. Only proper stop placement, only proper point of entry, only if rules are met. Price comes to reversal zone, you're not jumping on bandwagon randomly, you're waiting for the rules. Yesterday morning rules were met flawlessly right outside of this level. This morning, as we discussed when we witnessed complete free fall from Fibonacci reversal zone, that was not the case. Market stunningly collapsed until here. Never enter into reversal zone. Price comes to reversal zone, you monitor for reversal. All the levels in front of you are proprietary Fibonacci levels. I do not use regular Fibonacci levels, as my students will tell you time and time again. I developed my own. I started studying Fibonacci in 1990s. First strategy was developed in 2008. That's what I teach you in the course. Showtime. Will price finally blast through this level? The importance of proper stop placement and knowing what you are waiting for, as we discussed with students, that finally your green light is on. Finally, this is the moment you become interested in the market as a conservative trader. You did not participate in this market until now. And that makes a world of difference. This been ultimate pain and torture. Will this time around price blast through this level with vengeance? Key moment on S&P. Trade number 21. As you listen and witnessing what students trade, doesn't matter if it's Google, as Mo is asking about Google. Mo is options trader. Google and free fall traders. I have no idea what Google earnings had been or will be. All I can tell you is the following. Expect pullback on Google from this level if you are trading daily. But that pullback on Google will not mean a thing. It will be extremely temporary. After this level, no matter how much Google will struggle, it will head further down on daily chart. While S&P is still struggling to break through the end of the minor trend, let's take a look on Google a little closer. And let's remember, every strategy you learn has exact same rules. What you trade is your choice. So here is Google. If you're a day trader, you're using hourly levels. These are hourly levels. Collapse on Google is taking a pause by struggling to break through this level. It is not wise thing right now to short Google. If Google will blast through this level, you want to short as high as possible. Sell off, overextend it. And this is S&P. And this is my beautiful alphas you learning. Good things in life worth waiting for. Fibonacci timing is on. Key moment. As you witness students commenting, they did not participate in this market until now. And that makes a world of difference. And that's how you're accomplishing the results like MOES, week 2 in the course. This is all that matters to me personally. Aren't you glad, Alphys, you waited? Aren't you glad you not participated in this market until green light was on, as of few minutes ago, as we discussed? This is MOES trading options. This is Jim. On instruments I never even heard of. Jim trading ETFs. MOES trading SPX. gym trading rod, which is Russell Index, and ETFs as well. And that makes a world of difference. What you trade is your choice. Are you trading Google? Are you trading Russell Index? Are you trading Forex? You're using exact same formula. Fibonacci levels remain the same. Fibonacci strategies remain the same. This is exactly the reason how Fibonacci helping you with rules and discipline. Price comes to reversal zone, you're monitoring for reversal. Earnings and indicators will be extremely second. And that's what price does every time. So if you know where reversal zone is as a day trader, you know where you monitor for long. You do not babysit corrections, you do not babysit fluff. This was absolutely brutal reminder on S&P. If you ever shorted S&P near reversal zone, this is what you got. Ultimate test of your knowledge and ultimate reminder. Without knowledge of correction, nothing is possible in trading. And that's the reason I would never, ever, ever disrespect this rule. And I will always remind you. This is the reason I named this level reversal zone. This is proprietary level. You can install on any platform that you will do for yourself after you learn the rules. And that's what price does every time. 80-85% of the time price reverses completely. Doesn't matter if it's Google, doesn't matter if it's Apple. Stunning earnings, complete free fall. Powerful support is reached. Bullish rally, despite worst earnings. Not the place to acquire Apple. Apple coming out with stunning news does not mean a thing. Bullish rally overextended. But what does mean a thing? What's happening currently on gold? Look at that. Do you know the rules? Do you know what you're monitoring for? Bullish rally that played out from reversal zone reached crucial Fibonacci rules. Gold reversed, no surprise. But what's setting up on gold and what's playing out on gold is very, very important. Gold sitting at very powerful Fibonacci support. Do you know what to do? If this time to acquire position, you will know only if you know the rules. This level's been present in front of you for years. But you cannot trade these levels unless you know the rules. And that's the reason I will never sell you this software. Because if I do, how will you know how to trade this without rules? You cannot randomly push a trigger, look on gold, 7 months in a row worthless correction, then powerful reversal. Look what has happened on any instrument, any time frame. Look on oil weekly. Endless corrective fluff. This chart been present in front of you for years. Remember that? Spectacular bullish reversal. Where is oil right now? At institutional support. Are you seeing bullish rally on oil? Are you seeing bullish rally on S&P that we waited for and that's the reason I didn't leave? Is everyone clear, my beautiful alphas, the power of the rules? When I set the green light on, how long did this last it? Not long. And that's what separates knowledge from being a follower. How many points is S&P right now? Will depend on lot size you trade, will depend if you trade single or double, will depend if you are scaling out from position or not. That is the key. S&P just met daily quota. Average trader 2 points. It's a whole lot more than 2 points. And that's the power of knowing the rules, and that's the power of the green light. And that's all that matters. Clear on that? That's my students. And that's all that matters, as my students becoming my dearest friends for life. Everything else background noise. I will be attacked forever. I have been attacked forever. By competitors who selling junk. By people who capitalize on poor people who believe in indicators and software. It doesn't mean a thing. All that matters is my beautiful students becoming my dearest friends for life. Stories like Jim, stories like Tashi, stories like Moaz. Everyone else can take a hike because my students know who I am and what I stand for. So, each and every day of my life, I open up emails. Emails from my students telling me the most beautiful things on the planet. Would you like to see 2 emails that arrived this morning? Here they are. This is what matters. Stories like Steve. Everything else, background noise. What matters? Stories like Jim's. This is what Mo is reporting, and this is what Mo is saying. And that's all that matters. That's the power of knowledge. Being follower does not work. Every single person different results. You have multiple lots, you know how to scale out, you're still in a trade. Moas, week 2 in the course. Moas know what I stand for. So, that is the key of the bootcamp. That's simple. Down to 2 spaces, not 5. Support will update the info this weekend. Bootcamp part of the course. All you have to do, identify what you want to trade. Nothing less, nothing more. After the bootcamp, we're off to vacation and we restart November 29th. Down to 2 spaces. That's it. So, traders, this is trade number 21. Knowledgeable trader knows extremely well the danger of reversal zone. Yes? Exact same concept on short-term charts S&P as on long-term charts S&P. But what are you dealing with? You're dealing with this Fibonacci resistance. You saw it took S&P almost 2 hours to break through this level. And once this level is out, S&P finally crawled up to this level. Sellers remain in charge. This bullish rally taking a massive pause, as expected. And that makes a world of difference if you understand where Fibonacci levels are. If you understand the importance of reversal zone. Drastically different trade than the previous one. Agree on that? So this is a trade that continue flying. This is a trade number 21. You witness the difference between green light is on, Fibonacci timing is on, and you witnessing green light was not on. As finally we took a second negative trade this month on S&P, showing you each and every trade for demonstration purposes only. Decision point 1 was reached, so was decision point 2. Here comes the reversal zone. Clear on that? What you trade is your choice. Exact same accuracy of the method applies to any instrument and any time frame. S&P is flying. How many points now? Depends on the account you trade. If you're still in this trade, you're trading multiple lot sizes. You're scaling out carefully. So ladies and gentlemen, this is trade number 21. Everyone is clear on that? This is a trade that reached reversal zone, correct? This is what we accomplished this month. 21 trades, 19 trades reached Fibonacci targets. What you trade is your choice. This is reversal zone, 6 points later. Every single person exits at different level, depending on the account size you trade. And if you understood the market this morning, you witnessed once again what separates knowledge from being a follower makes a world of difference. Bullish rally from reversal zone was breathtaking yesterday. This morning took more than 2 hours. And when green light was on, bullish trade went through the roof, but struggling to break through this level. So, if you know the rules, you know Fibonacci levels, all you have to do identify what you want to trade. that pure and that simple. And if you do, you understand extremely well that nothing more accurate than Fibonacci. No indicator, no software, no fundamentals will ever be. Fibonacci is the only accurate predictive tool in the market, and my students will show you and prove that each and every day. And that's all that matters to me.